Hey guys, so we got a new product in the studio today. It is the Oculus Quest 2. And we're going to be doing an unboxing as well as a kind of an informal review. There's a bit of a quirk that needs to be discussed. So let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, let's tear into this thing. Quite a big box, actually. Well, let's see what we have inside. So, we do have the two controllers, the headset. Just so you know, I've already set this up, so it also has the glasses spacer, which my wife uses this actually more than I do, because since she wears glasses. It works. Kind of wish it was a little bit thicker though, so that way when she takes it off, it doesn't just like rip her glasses off when she takes the headset off. The controller design, I mean, I like it. You know, really, you know, feels like an Xbox controller switch here. The finger grip, you know, the finger grip, it's all right. The buttons feel good. The joystick, yeah, it's I mean, it's surprisingly clicky. The tracking on these are actually really well. Same thing with this side over here, you know. If you know, use them both together, to me, it feels like playing an Xbox controller. You do have two indicator lights right here and right here. The battery compartment, I mean, it does have a clip design, and there is labels on which side is right, which side is left. But it comes preloaded with a Pro Pack battery. On both controllers, you'll have a little black tab. Then right here, and here's the headset. I mean, it's fairly. If you've had any, whether it's the Oculus One, the Quest 1, the Rift S, any of them, it's fairly, you know, indicative. Here's the headpiece for the face shield. You can definitely get, I think you can get bigger ones with thicker foam. I mean, this foam really soaks up sweat. The lenses on this thing are absolutely massive. But yeah, that is my, you know, technically informal unboxing. Like I said, I've already taken this out of the box. And unlike, you know, Samsung's new S21 lineup or Apple's lineup or any of those, you know, you got some paperwork. I mean, wow, that is a thick book. Look at that for a safety and warranty guide. A little light reading though, but it does come with a power brick. Let's see here. What is this? It's a 5-volt, 2-amp, 10-watt charger. So not the fastest you can get, but it is Type C. And then you get a, you know, fairly standard, I'd say 3 feet, you know, from end to end, cable. And it is double-ended Type C. And if you're using the Oculus Link at any point in time, you can use this cable. You can use any branded cable, or it doesn't have to be the Oculus branded cable. I mean, yeah, they want you to buy the Oculus branded cable, but you don't have to if you don't want to. And that is literally everything in the box. Really robust box though too. I use this for the case, so when I'm putting it away at night, that's, you know,